Hi ladies, how you doing? So I recently bought a Denman brush. Got it from Discount if you're looking to buy one for yourself. And I found that when I was using it, I was like, this thing is breaking my hair. Like I felt like it was breaking my hair. Might not have been. I might have just been super paranoid. So I'd seen a few videos of ladies reformatting their brush so that it has less of these things so that it glides through the hair. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So basically what you're trying to do is you're removing some of the teeth so that I don't know what the correct technical term is, but it just hurts less and it feels like the hair is breaking. So the hair is not breaking. It feels like the hair is not breaking. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how I do that. I'd reconstructed my brush, so just don't. Yeah, I don't know how people just put this thing back in. Like you need superhuman strength, but anyway. So you will pull this out. I can't remember how I pulled it out originally. I think I might have used my teeth. Yeah, anyway, whatever. If you have superhuman strength and you can pull it out, but what I ended up just doing is I pulled it out a bit and then I could lift it off here. And then what you're going to do is you'll see that there are these little things here. All you're gonna do is use one of your fingers and you're gonna pop it out. And you're gonna pull it out. Sorry about the residue. Apparently my brush is not clean. And then again, you see, I'm gonna take out, I think I'm gonna take out 1, 2, 3, every second one. I'm gonna take out every second one. So all you're doing again is you are using your finger and pushing it out, and then you'll see a bit of it will come out. Then I'm going to do that for the others. I didn't do this right. I prefer it every second one, so I'm going to put this one back in. Yeah, this one needs to come out. See now, there's your brush. And then you're going to reinsert this back into the brush. All you're going to do is connect these little bits. I don't know what it is. I'm just going to call it little bits. Like so. And oh, I don't know what's going on with this brush. Anyway, you squash it together with your fingers. You're going to slide it back in. Again, you need superhuman strength. I don't know how people just do it so easily on these YouTube videos, but I find it quite challenging.
Stop it. Get some help.
Guys, I'm literally like, I don't understand. How strong are these people? Okay, also, it's sliding. Okay, there we go. No, it's not happening. Slide it again. See? Just make sure it's following the route it's supposed to. And the little crowns are at the top, so you know what part needs to go in first. Okay, it's happening. Oh, I don't know how these girls just slide this thing in here.
A few moments later.
Okay. That's about as good as it, that's it. I'm not pushing this all the way through because it's exhausting me. But that's basically how I modify my Denman brush. So it's easier to use. It just feels less harsh on my head like this. And I don't know, maybe just keep the teeth. You never know, you have a rough day and you end up breaking one of the bristles. So just, I would keep these for a rainy day. And that's it, guys. I'll show you how it works on my hair. So guys, that is how I use my modified Denman brush to detangle my hair. And as you can see, my fingers move right through my hair strands, which is the desired effect. Anyway, if you have any questions, make sure you comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe.